The Chief Justice of Nigeria, Olukayode Ariwoola, has asked the newly sworn-in 23 Federal High Court judges not to take for granted their oath of office, as they have entered into covenant with God to dispense justice without fear or favor. The CJN, who gave the directive shortly after administering oath of office on the newly appointed justices, also aimed at or reminded them of the need to uphold judicial integrity, fairness in the discharging of their duties, as sanctions await any act of misconduct. Trustee Shafiu Suleiman reports.
Do solemnly swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the
and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So help me.
Perform my functions honestly, to the best of my ability, and faithfully in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the law.
One after the other, the 23 Federal High Court justices take their oath of office and allegiance. The CJN, Justice Olukayode Ariwoola, who presides over the ceremony, was quick to remind the newly appointed High Court justices of the implications, responsibility and expectations of their new status.
By virtue of the oath you have just taken, my lords, you have automatically assumed new status and responsibilities in life. A new blank page in the book of life has just been opened for you. And as it is with public office, especially the judiciary, you are completely open to daily public scrutiny. The pen is right there in your hand to write whatever you desire to be the content of the new page that is now openly displayed in the public domain.
One of the 23 newly sworn-in justices speaks on how they will exercise the responsibility bestowed on them.
This is part of the judicial career. Once you've been trained in the judicial career, you know that these are the tenets you must have to respect. He talk about integrity, he talk about the honesty. All those things are the elements that make up a good judge. And since we decided to venture into those career, we will continue to ensure that we uphold those spirits and we distinguish ourselves.
A retired High Court judge, whose daughter was amongst the appointed justices, and a senior advocate of Nigeria, speak on the expectations and the judicial burden on the new judges.
As far as I'm concerned, they are going to add more to the Federal High Court, because when you see all of them, they are all great people.
Because it's a sign of recognition of the hard work of those who are appointed. Then it's also a time for deep reflection by them.
The new appointed justices of the Federal High Court were selected amongst equals in line with the requirements of the Constitution. They are to undergo orientation and training before they are posted into various jurisdictions. They are coming at a time the nation's judicial arm is facing enormous public scrutiny due to high expectations that the judiciary is the only hope for the common man. Shafiu Suleiman, Trust TV News, Abuja.